bananas, you say peppers. And you guys, we may have a guest co-star today. I'm kind of concerned. I thought it would be fun to have Robo-Dog, my little Ibo back there. I thought it would be fun to have him like marching around for today's video, but I'm a little concerned. He's been on his charging pad and he woke up and just started blinking, but like he's not standing up, so we may be doing some troubleshooting later tonight. But today's video, I had these recommended to me the other day on Amazon. They were actually on sale and they are fashion mini brands. I decided to get 2 tubes today because I thought it would be really fun to see if I could get some of the fashion mini brands that I have been missing. There are definitely some rares and some things that, like, do you guys remember this quest that I started several months ago and then forgot about it, as I often do with my little missions? But I was trying to recreate a mini bag full of mini little things. I thought maybe I could find some of the things somewhere where miniatures are sold kind of inexpensively, where I could just get some things that I was like looking for, like a mini set of keys or like maybe some really tiny jewelry, but I didn't really have that much success. I stopped buying these mini brands because they were getting really duplicate-y for me. Like, I wasn't getting anything new, so I kind of got discouraged from collecting them for a little bit. But now, especially these season 1 fashion mini brands, these have been out for like, what, more than a year? I'm shocked that they still make them, honestly, because season 2, I feel like, has at least been out for probably like 6 months. So usually that's when like all of the collection is available in the balls. Guys, I feel like maybe this is like boring story time with Bunny. And if y'all collect mini brands too, you have to let me know. I feel like if I get too many balls right at the beginning when the mini brands, like the new series is first released, I end up getting a lot of repeats. I kind of just wanted to try this because normally once a new collection comes out, I never really think about like mini fashion series 1, but these were suggested to me, so I said, hey, let's just give it a try. Although I am kind of shocked that there hasn't been a mini brands fashion series 3 yet. Enough chit chat. I feel like it would be fun to do a ball from season 1, season 2, season 1, season 2, and we'll kind of see. I don't remember what it was about season 2 that I wasn't as crazy about as season 1, but there were a lot of like accessories that I really wanted to try and get. I think mini brands series 1 and 2, they came in the paper packets and not the orange slices. I am kind of disturbed about the Ibo. It was also like making these like puppy whimpering noises, which was really upsetting. So I hope it's gonna be okay. Let me go ahead and peel the boring wrapper off. Ah! Okay, yes, look, I remembered something. I don't remember if it was in series 1 or series 2, and I think it's supposed to be an MCM dupe. It was like a little teddy bear keychain, so cute. Okay, I'm gonna try and get really close to the camera. I don't know what it is about filming in here lately, but I feel like everything I film in here, blurry. The first thing I grabbed is, ooh, okay. I do see some duplicates. You guys, I am really hoping for some new stuff. Although, ever since I started unboxing the Remint miniatures and like making my little TikTok unboxings and stuff, you guys, I've gone back and used these miniatures over and over again. The little mini makeup brush. I put this one with my Remint makeup minis all the time. This one I thought was really cute as well. The mini blush compact. I wish y'all could really see the blush. And then this, I feel like this doesn't look as cute closed as it does open. It's the little makeup palette. This is so weird. Oh my God. Yeah, I forgot how that works. Does the sticker count as one item? 1, then we got 3. Do we only have the bag left? This is like refreshing my memory all over again. I very rarely feel like any minis I get here in the States are as detailed as the Remint sets, but unfortunately Remint doesn't launch that many sets. But a couple of these makeup and like fashion minis I feel like are even more detailed than the Remint ones. Like, one of the things I love about the fashion minis is the bags are actually made out of real fabric. They have real magnets, and a couple sets of the Remint minis I've got, they do have bags in them, but they're made out of plastic, so those are like not really realistic. You guys, I can't remember if we got this bag before. I should have brought over like my little collection. I have these all in one of those like plastic shoebox containers because I did start using these bags and also some of the Rainbow High mini bags in my, maybe y'all have seen the last one I just did, one where I pretended like the Furby was shopping for this like unboxing thing I did. I'll link you guys so y'all can see it in case you haven't yet. So I was like using the makeup, the mini credit cards, the mini handbags like as props for that little like ASMR unboxing. I feel like this is meant to be a Chanel dupe, but like look at that. The stitching I feel like is really good. There is a magnetic closure. I was very impressed with these, but oh my gosh, that's all we get. I feel like that was something I probably didn't like either, is like when the sticker counts as an item. I kind of don't like that. To me, a sticker is not an item unless I'm talking about stationery, and then all of a sudden a sticker is an item. Do y'all agree with that? Okay. Let's try a series 2. But it's so crazy that even after all this time, I feel like I'm still getting the same ones. Although, wasn't there just overall less? Yeah, 40 accessories. How many was in season 2? 100! See, why was I getting so many duplicates? I'm gonna peel this wrapper off and then we'll open the insides. It just took like 10 minutes to unwrap everything. But now we know. The pink balls, season 2. The white balls, season 1, and now we can just pop them. Yeah, I completely forgot you only get 2 bags. So we'll open the sticker bag first, or maybe they did 4 minis. Nope, still a sticker. Ah, it looks like maybe some new stuff. You guys, I'm gonna be so sad if we get nothing but repeats after all this time. I don't even know what this is. Although, you know what? I feel like we got this before because I feel like I really liked this. This kind of looks more like a planner to me. Maybe I just had planners on the brain because like yesterday was Hobonichi launch day, but it's like a tiny notebook and it actually has real paper inside. So you could actually maybe write a single word on each page. I feel like we got this before, but in a different colorway. I always say colorway, you guys, instead of a different color. I feel like I'm always thinking about stuff like in fashion terms, which I feel like they always describe like, oh, the shoes are in a different colorway. I wonder why, I don't know. When did I pick that up? This bracelet, I'm trying to remember if I remember this. This is definitely like Furby sized. This quad palette, I don't remember if I remember this. I like this palette better than this palette though. Let me know if you guys agree. I like the inside of this palette better, but I don't like how it doesn't have the clear cover. You kind of really can't tell what it is. It might as well be like a Wonka bar or something when it's just closed gold stuff like that. Obviously, I really wish I could get like the gold Dior bag. That was from series 1. And something I didn't even know, which I'm pretty sure this is meant to be like a Moschino dupe. Series 2 had a shoe bag, which you guys know, I always love the bags that like look like other things. Like I have lighter bag in my collection, lock bag. What did we get? Oh, this is definitely new. But yeah, I felt like I did not recognize a lot of the designers in series 2. This one is very cute though. I like this. Like the fabric feels very nice. I also like that it's a tote bag. I feel like somehow in the mini brands fashion and some of the Rainbow High bags that I've gotten, I somehow have not gotten many tote bag options. So this is definitely different, definitely very cute. So that's what I was gonna tell you guys too, is like the rares that you can get from each collection are scented items. I think we did get some of the rares from series 1 because I do remember getting bottles of perfume that I thought looked like Chance by Chanel last series 1 ball. And then we're gonna look at the chart because oh my gosh, I feel like there's so many options out there and I'm somehow just getting the same ones. Oh my gosh. Okay, it's the sticker of the bag we just got. Yo, I'm sadly starting to think maybe Amazon gets the most repeaty mini brands, which is unfortunate because I do love like the instant gratification of Amazon Prime versus ordering minis from like Walmart or Target or whatever. But oh my gosh, I can't believe, you guys, we got the same makeup brush again. That's when it's like so disappointing to me, and I don't really know if they'd have any way to control that, but I wish that they would, where you wouldn't get a 2-ball set that has literally the same minis in each ball. We got the same blush. I almost said even the same colorway. And this is definitely a repeat again, but I remember loving it the first time around. It's like a cream jar, which once again, now like reflecting on these, I don't know if I'm just like being a little silly or something, but I feel like they could have made these look cuter and more realistic if they just didn't do all gold packaging. Cause like, look at that. That looks kind of like plain. Like I wish they would have put little labels or designs on the jars. Fingers crossed that we don't get like the same bag. Ooh, I cannot remember if I got this or not. And you know what? I feel like we at least got this print before, because I was saying I don't know if they're kind of trying to do Y2K Louis Vuitton kind of like rainbow monogram print, or if this was like a Dooney and Burke kind of throwback. Either way, I feel like this style of bag is really popular again now, but I just really associate this with like an early 2000s kind of look. I'm gonna go ahead and look at the chart because I feel like there was so many. Yeah, I definitely was hoping for, although why a gal can dream. I was definitely hoping to still get the mini Tiffany box and a wallet. That was the other thing I was really trying to get because I feel like I don't have any wallets for my mini bags. We only have one ball left, so this must be the season that has those like bear keychains and stuff. And I swear I keep seeing somebody on TikTok, they have like a little wallet and it has like a little key hanging off of it, which I thought was so cute. Also, okay, let's open the sticker thing first and see what's up. Yay! Oh, suddenly it's all worth it. It is this thing, which I definitely do not recognize any of the bags from series 2, which is wild because I feel like, well, I feel like I really know the designers that I like, but these just must be like designers that I don't care about. This I remember loving, and I felt like this looked like a K-beauty product. I'm not really familiar of any lipstick packaging that's like this here in the States. It reminds me of like a water tent, but I thought this one was really cute, and it's red, which is my favorite lippy color. How off-key did I sound just then? Oh my gosh. Have we gotten this before? Why does it, oh, I just bit the inside of my mouth. Why does this seem both new and like the same? It's a boba cup. And listen, hopefully y'all can hear it. There's little tiny boba that rattle around in there. Super cute. I almost bought some of the Foodie mini brands, which I've never had any of the Foodie mini brands before, but I saw that on Amazon, everybody was getting somehow empty pouches. They're wrapped once again in the paper pouches, and it was like the weirdest thing I've ever seen. So I was like, I'll wait a little while. But there's a boba drink in that series 2, and it looks so cute. Oh, this is interesting. I'm very excited because we did get a wallet, and it even has this little chain. See, I thought it was gonna have like a little key attached to it, but this actually feels really higher quality than any other mini wallet I've ever gotten. Unfortunately, you can't put a little card in it. Can you imagine? It definitely has more of a soft feeling to it. I kind of can't tell, as funny as that sounds. Like, I kind of can't tell. I think it's just a super soft plastic. Like any kind of wallet like this I've got in the past is almost too much of a stiff plastic to get it to fold over and really look more like a realistic wallet. I don't know what this is, that it just has like a long chain hanging off of it. but I am definitely happy that it is something new. Let's find out what is the bag. It's definitely not shoe shaped, so we know it's not that one, but hopefully at least, ooh, okay, what brand is this? I really like this one. This is like definitely something I would pick out in real life, especially if the chain was silver. I would be like right away, what is this bag? I love it. Maybe Versace. I don't know. I feel like Versace has a lot of the like heavy kind of embellished elements. Maybe it's a brand like Chloe or something that I don't really know anything about. I really love this bag. Totally, totally new. But overall, I think we only got, okay, we got 2 new bags. I know both of these bags are new. I know the wallet is new. That's really cool that the wallet matches the bag. See, that's what I'm saying. Like, do they know what they're putting together in these balls or not? Because like, what's the coincidence of that? And then I have a couple that I don't know. The notebook, the boba, and the quad palette, those might be new. Everything else, super mega repeat. So now let me show you guys the little bear things that I'm talking about. This one had, oh, there is the little keychain fob wallet. Oh, there was so many cool ones I wish we would have gotten in series 2. Besides all the repeats we did get. There were so many things in boxes, you guys. I think one is a bracelet, one is something else in a Tiffany's box, and then the super rare jewelry for this series is a watch in a green box. Maybe that's supposed to be Rolex. I'm like really not into watches at all. And there are headphones, which I think those are cute, but honestly, I wish they would have made them look a little bit more realistically like the Apple AirPods. Like I wish they would have made them like in a gray or a silver color. Instead, it's like red and green. There were 4 different keychains we could have gotten. 2 of the wallets do have the little key attached to it. There were 2 iPhone options, and I don't think we've ever gotten any sunglasses from this series either. You guys, so many. Like I basically have nothing down here from this section except for the little notebook. And then on the back, oh my gosh, yeah, I didn't even realize there's a little camera. It looks like there's Tic Tacs. I kind of should just see if somebody is like depopping these or something. But yeah, look at this. There's like little handkerchiefs. Like we have none of this. None of this. Like how do I just keep getting balls with the same stuff in them like even 6 months later? And I also just wish that they like would not do the sticker thing and would just do an actual extra little mini camera battery flashing. Of course it is. But thank you guys so much for hanging out today and for watching. If you're not already and you'd like to be, hit the button down below, subscribe, become a member of the Banana Pepper Squad today. And until I see you guys again, which is going to be very, very soon, stay happy, stay healthy, stay sassy, stay banana peppery. I love you guys so much. Bye.